my people.
This is not the land of, this is Glendale. That is beautiful. When the sun hits those hills, this valley sings. Right. Thank you.
Fully seated at all times for the duration of our safari today. Coming up on the right-hand side, top of the hill is going to be an okapi. Many people think that the okapi is related to the zebra because of the stripes on its back. It's actually the only known living relative of the giraffe. Both sides of the path are going to be some bongos. Bongos are known as the ghost of the forest. Coming up just to the head on the right-hand side, there'll be a few Ankoli cattle as well as some sable antelope. Wild dogs are the most successful hunters in all of Africa, even more so than the lion or the hyena, with 90% of all of their hunts successful. They have blood vessels inside those horns, which help keep them cool during the day. Ankoli cattle are also sometimes referred to as Watusi cattle. We have a few white rhinos over this way. Baby. White rhinos get their names from the Afrikaans word bite, meaning wide, for their wide-shaped mouths. Are those white rhinos coming up next to us on the right-hand side?
What is happening, Annabelle?
We're about to eat breakfast at the only Rainforest Cafe that does breakfast. At the Animal Kingdom. There's a big mushroom.
Are you excited?
I'm
You really
so
wanted to do
excited.
this, didn't you?
Yeah. This looks so cool.
Tuki, Iggy, Bamba, Rio, Cha-Cha, Ozzy, Null, and Maya. Oh, Annabelle, be careful. He might develop a crush on you.
Chaos, destruction. That is our breakfast.
Oh, there he goes.
The gorilla was too stunned to speak.
It's the only time he's moved his eyes.
That was pretty tame, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
I wonder if they have like...
Or maybe we just remember it being more intense.
I remember it being like the craziest, scariest experience of my life. Like I was fighting for my life as a child in the Rainforest Cafe.
So
I just didn't think it was gonna be this big.
you got avocado toast.
Yeah.
And then we got a side of breakfast potatoes. And then I got tonga toast. These portions are huge. Annabelle, what did we just do?
We just had girl brunch at the Rainforest Cafe.
Of all places.
And it slapped.
It did.
It had no need to slap that hard.
No, but it slapped hard. It was So good. My Tonga toast, so it's not the Tonga toast, but it's Tonga toast, was so good. I didn't think I would finish it all, but this little piggy went to market and she finished it all. Yeah, it was great. The breakfast potatoes were okay. They were nothing to write home about.
No, but I think we've been very spoiled by a certain type of
Wish breakfast potatoes are great.
Yes, there we go.
And what did you think of your avocado toast?
I had the avocado toast, and it was really, really good. There was a little kick in it somewhere, and I couldn't figure out where the kick was coming from, but it was so good. He was like, "There's gonna be lots of arugula on there," and I was like, "Don't you worry, I love me some rocket salad," and it was great. And our mimosas were so good.
And so the mimosas were like $10.50 or something each, and they came up in a wine glass. So it wasn't a champagne glass mimosa. He filled a white wine glass
To the top.
to the brim.
It was so good.
I say he might not have done it.
Whoever
The bartender, whoever did it, did that. So that was insane and so good. The outside in the gift shop is kept in pretty good condition. The inside is the inside of the Rainforest
The inside
Cafe.
is so camp.
So it's dated, it's camp, but who doesn't love that, right? Oh,
there they go.
goodbye, macaws.
The pretty birds.
So I would highly recommend it for a breakfast.
I would as
here.
well. It wasn't too pricey. Like I think, when I saw the prices on the food, I was a bit like, oh, because they ranged between about $12 and $20.
Yeah, I mean, I had like 5 or 6 or whatever pieces of French
the
toast
portions were really
for
big,
$16.
and it was really tasty.
Yeah, the portions are huge, so I actually think it's pretty good value for money, and I also think that the breakfast menu is better than the lunch and dinner menu, and the food is better. Hi, Minnie! Hi. No, this. We were just saying, your outfits, guys, so perfect. You made them. They are wonderful, and your pictures out there, the one where you're holding Mickey's hand and Mickey took the pic, we were crying. That is beautiful. Tell me that is framed in your house. Tell me. It should be wallpaper in my house. I want it as big as this. As big as this. Can we make that happen? I want to wake up every morning and look at it. Because you guys are just too good. Mickey's putting in the call. He's going to get it sorted. Thank you so much. See, if anyone could do it, it's Mickey. Did they say yes? Thank you so much, Mickey. Thank you. What's Minnie doing? Oh, Minnie's on the phone too. Minnie can make calls too. She said, I'd like a painter and a decorator immediately, please. Right away. Yes? There we go. Success. It's happening, Annabelle. We're getting that picture in our house. Thank you. Can we? Oh, is that a flower? What is it? What is it? Take it. Oh, that was beautiful. Oh, he loves her so much. You guys, she planted it. She put it away. Oh my, stop. It was a magic flower. It bloomed just like your love. I can't cope. You guys make me cry. You're so cute. Stop. This is the cutest thing, and now she's gonna put it there. Now everyone can see it. Water it every day. Care for it, just like you have to care for each other.
In moments, the sky will come alive with color as a variety of vibrant macaws join together, creating winged encounters. We encourage you to gather around our avian specialists at the base of the tree of life for a unique journey of discovery, one that you can't see anywhere else except in the wild. Welcome to Winged Encounters.
I wanted to see this last time.
Good afternoon, Discovery
Yeah, that's
Island.
what I
Winged
want.
Encounters is getting started right over here by the roots of the Tree of Life. Come on over and hang out with us. We're a short experience that you are not going to want to miss. And all of this available space right up here, these are going to be some of the best spots to be if you want birds flying right over the top of your head. Now, my name's Keegan. I'm joined by an awesome team of avian trainers and conservationists. We have Ashley, Aaron, and then out in the crowd with y'all, that's Dan and Morgan. Of course, we have the 3 feathered stars of our show that just showed up. Right over here is Buzz. He's a scarlet macaw. And over there with Aaron, I think that's Edith. And then Jens just flew up in the tree over in the Linger exhibit. Those 2 are both military macaws. And out of those 400 macaws, there are only 50 nesting pairs. But it's not all bad news, because we partnered with an organization called the World Parrot Trust, and their goal is to breed these blue-throated macaws so that we can release them out to meet up with that smaller wild population, to boost up their numbers, to save critically endangered species, beautiful birds just like these, and skies that look just like this. Absolutely incredible, and definitely a site worth protecting out in wild places. So many different species of macaws coming on down to join us right now. Looks like we still have a few hanging out here finishing up some of their favorite treats.
That even took my head off.
Pictures while they're hanging out. Of course, we'll be here as long as they are, so feel free to ask us any questions.
6.5 hours later.
You admire the Jedi. Excellent.
That's really cool.
Amazing, how special for them. He even had the scar that Anakin has over his face. They look so good. your blue milk. See who you got.
What are we looking for? Who am I taking down?
You're gonna die!
Oh, no, he's not gonna die.
Oh.
We're not killing him, we're just bringing him in.
I'm gonna bring you in!
That's very extreme. Start looking for him then.
Oh no, we have to go here.
Don't come back to me until you find the bounty.
We can't, we have to find the bounty first. Are you getting anything yet?
We're cold.
You want to try the marketplace?
Yeah, it's going red, and it doesn't like. It's like buzz.
Is it going green?
It's going green. It's going like buzz buzz.
Okay, well let's follow the green then.
So will we actually find that droid?
Yeah, we'll use the thermal scanner to find him.
So we need it to go purple, don't we?
Yeah, and then it'll be like buzz, 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 buzz. Is it still green?
Yeah. So it's liking it.
Does it speed up with any vibrations?
It feels like it is. They're getting closer together.
Right.
Like buzz 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 buzz.
It's red!
We lost the scent. Go over there, Annabelle. What colour is it now?
It's red. Red.
Let's go in the back of the marketplace.
Where is he? Where is it?
Anything?
Oh, green, green. Green. Buzz, 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 buzz.
Move towards that door. No, not here. He's not here. He's not behind the door. No, he's not here. What about that door? Red, red. We've gone too far. Green. What? What about that door? No. Just there.
Purple!
You found him? You found him?
Where is he? You better watch out, pal.
I don't know.
Found it. Capture report target. Location. Now we need to go to shade. Visit the guild master. Well done. Now we're trying to complete your mission. Okay, so once we figured out how to play the game, it was easy. Yeah, once you figured it out, it wasn't super clear in the game.
No, how you access the thermal scanner is not clear. Everything else is clear, and
Yeah.
it seems like no one else really is clear when you ask cast members on how to
But
access
once
the
you
thermal
do
scanner.
know how it works, it's pretty easy and pretty fun.
Give me my credit.
Look,
I see you found the first bounty. Not bad. But you'll need to collect a lot more to join the Bounty Hunters Guild. Here are your credits.
All right, gather round. Approach. All within this outpost, hear me. The First Order is now firmly in power. The Resistance has been destroyed, but they do not want to accept it. They do not see that the First Order brings stability, order, and rule of law to the galaxy. The Resistance would disrupt this balance. They would bring conflict, aggression, even war, and we would be forced to respond with the same, and yet they press on, trying to survive, to keep fighting for their hopeless cause. We believe the Resistance has sent a spy here to Batuu. Some of you may have even cooperated. Some may actually support the Resistance. If so, we will find out. You will feel the consequences of your actions. Troopers!
Lieutenant.
Supreme Leader, welcome to Batuu.
You are a poor ambassador.
Sir,
Have you found the Resistance spy?
not Not yet, sir, but we will. I have dispatched patrol units throughout this outpost.
You have failed, Lieutenant. That resistance spy was tracked to Batuu. You were sent to find her. If she is here, she may not be alone. Do you understand? The resistance must not be allowed to regroup. If someone in this outpost knows something, we need to find them.
Sir, I will lead a team right away.
You will await further orders.
Yes, sir.
Troopers.
As for all of you, remain where you are. Expect to be interrogated.